Huawei P40 5G, P40 Pro 5G, P40 Pro Plus 5G with Kirin 995G SoC, up to 5 rear cameras launched. Price, specifications. The series includes 3 phones, namely, the Huawei P40 5G, Huawei P40 Pro 5G, and the Huawei P40 Pro Plus 5G. The Huawei P40 Pro 5G and the Huawei P40 Pro Plus 5G have a Quad-Curve Overflow Display, giving the phones a bezel-less look. The Huawei P40 comes with a triple rear camera setup. The Huawei P40 Pro has a quad rear camera setup, while the Huawei P40 Pro Plus has a penta rear camera setup. Thus, Huawei is moving forward without the use of any Google services on its Android phones. The phones also come with the company's new search assistant Celia that, according to a report by Android Authority, may rely on Quest search results in Europe. As with previous Huawei phones, the Google Play Store has been replaced by Huawei's own app gallery. Storage is once again expandable via the Nano Memory 2 card. The new Huawei flagship phone comes in 2 colors, black ceramic and white ceramic, and will go on sale starting June. The phone is powered by the octa-core Kirin 995G SoC, Mali G76MC16 GPU. For storage, the Huawei P40 5G has 128GB of inbuilt storage, expandable via Huawei's Nano Memory 2 card. The phone is also powered by the same octa-core Kirin 995G SoC, the Mali G76MC16 GPU, and comes with 8GB of RAM. The Huawei P40 Pro 5G comes with 256GB storage, expandable via Nano Memory 2 card. In terms of battery backup, the Huawei P40 Pro has a larger 4,200 mAh which supports supercharged 40 watts fast charging and wireless supercharged 27 watts fast charging. Huawei P40 Pro Plus 5G features a penta rear camera setup.
Subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button. Click the bell button and enjoy the latest uploads from our channel.